Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM21. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your TM21 won't turn on, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to a faulty power cable or internal wiring problems. If left unrepaired, it could lead to further damage, making your beloved appliance unusable. To carry out this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement power cable compatible with the TM21, some electrical tape, and a pair of pliers. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged to guarantee your safety. Begin by carefully removing the base of the TM21. Use a small screwdriver to remove the screws located at the back and sides of the unit. Gently lift the base away, taking care not to pull on any wires. Now, let's locate the faulty component. Inspect the power cable connection, which is usually found near the power input. Look for any signs of damage, such as frayed wires or loose connections. If you notice any issues, it's time to replace it. Carefully disconnect the old cable by unscrewing any screws holding it in place and gently pulling it out. Be mindful of the surrounding components, avoid applying too much force which could cause additional damage. Once the old cable is removed, take your new compatible power cable and connect it in the same position as the old one. Make sure to secure it properly with screws and ensure all connections are snug. After replacing the cable, it's important to check that no wires are pinched or exposed. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, replace the base of the TM21 by aligning it correctly and securing it with the screws you previously removed. Finally, plug your device back in and turn it on to see if it works. If all has gone well, your TM21 should be up and running again. To prevent this issue from reoccurring, regularly check the condition of your power cable and avoid placing excessive strain on the wires. Keeping your appliance in a cool, dry place can also help prolong its life. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.